Welcome to the channel. I understand that you're stuck on the Google account verification screen on your Samsung A06 and are looking for a way to bypass it, preferably without a computer. Not long ago, I was in the exact same situation, and I had to roll up my sleeves to solve this puzzle. I managed to bypass the lock, and now I'll share my method and help you out. If anything is unclear, the comments are there to help as well. I understand that not everyone is experienced with this kind of thing, but my method is designed specifically for regular phone users. Yes, it's a frustrating situation, especially considering that your phone is running Android 16. In older Android versions, there used to be many tricks to bypass FRP directly from the phone itself, for example, using Talkback or Google Keyboard. But on devices running Android 16, those methods no longer work. So you can immediately close any videos or websites that claim otherwise. The biggest obstacle is a security feature introduced by Google. It prevents apps installed outside the official Google Play Store from receiving the permissions they need to function. This directly blocks almost all old manual bypass methods. Now I'll explain what I did. For this purpose, I used the free Chinese AI called DeepSeek. Why DeepSeek specifically? Because other AIs, such as ChatGPT, are not allowed to explain how to do this. I simply wrote how to bypass FRP and specified the phone model. It suggested several methods. I chose the most suitable option and asked it to show me step-by-step instructions for that method. After that, everything came down to following simple commands. And whenever something didn't work, I would send it a photo or screenshot, and it would immediately provide a solution. I could have shown the whole process in this video, but the problem is that my method might stop working within a month because Samsung tries to patch these loopholes as quickly as possible. Meanwhile, DeepSeek will always have another workaround available. I even managed to fix an iPhone with its help, even though the repair shop told me to throw it away. Thank you for watching, and I'm always happy to help.